So today I'm upgrading the Virtual Delivery Agent from 2203 CU4 to the latest version 2403, I believe is C1 or something like that. It was just released a few months ago. So I've copied the installer and I will just run the upgrade. Let's see what changed, if we have some new features or not. Okay, so we don't have workspace app. We do not have MCS optimization. No backup, okay, no additional feature. I want real-time transport, okay. Next. Upgrade. Okay. Let's see if it requires a reboot. I mean, it will require at least one, but I'm curious for this if it needs a reboot. Okay. First restart. Okay, so it initialized the components and now it requires a second restart. Okay, so it installed with no errors. I will take a snapshot and I will do a machine catalog update to see if everything is fine. Thank you for watching.